yourself in this time. Mama used to teach me from a young son to trust mankind.
Hi, Madam. Hey, I didn't know that Miss Pat was like that, oh. Hey, hey. Jeremiah, get back here. Get back here.
What happened now?
So, you're going behind my rules. You're going behind my back? That's what you're doing?
What you mean?
What do you mean by what I mean? I told you not to go out there with my glass, right? And you go out there and you give her water in my glass?
So what if me give her the water, the girl out there thirsty, from morning she in the sun?
Oh my God.
You understand?
So, you mean to tell me that you will let her let you get in trouble?
But what kind of trouble this is supposed to talk about me getting in trouble?
You know right now I am so pissed.
Why me I get in trouble if you give somebody little water?
Listen! With my glass!
So
and my water!
Give her in?
I don't want anybody to drink out of my glass.
So what you want me give her water in then?
She's a poor woman daughter! That is what she is!
So you wasn't poor too?
Who cares?
You're born rich?
You know what? Her mom just sit around and having kids all over. Right? I didn't born rich. But you know what? I lift my head high when I was in school.
But she can't lift her head high too.
When?
She not get the big
So, it is the wrong thing I did when I bring that witch come here. You think I didn't see when I was looking through the window and I see you? She was winding up her ass in your face.
What kind of wind up? Me I show the girl how to cut the flowers. And me I tell her say me.
Oh! So you're confessing.
Me I tell her say me can't do the work, but I just show me busy. Me have business I take care of, me not cut it.
What kind of business you have taken care of? You're telling her just because you want a conversation. Just because you want to yap your big mouth with her. You go out there, but you taking it and showing her that you can do the same thing? You're getting on my nerve. So, we don't even come here a few days good. And you start with your dirty attitude. Because you're in your country. Don't play with me. You hear what I'm saying? Don't look as if you're so innocent because you want anybody to sorry for you. You're a sneaking little brat. That's what you're doing. You know that?
But me I said this is supposed to be a big deal.
It is!
How come if it be a big deal?
The point is, you're not supposed to go out there. What are you looking for? What are you looking for? You want me to listen to me? Listen to me, man. You know what? Go in your room. You just being annoying to me right now. Go in your room. I'm going to get ready. I'm going to check my friend. Because if I follow you guys here today, you're testing my fate. That's what you're doing. I'm going to get ready and leave this place. Hey, I hope Madam is not doing Jeremiah anything. Oh, I feel so bad. Oh, I get Mr. Jeremiah in trouble. Hi. But why would Madam would want to talk to her husband like that? Oh, I never see anybody talk to their man like that. Hi. Even right before me, she's dealing with him like that. Oh, hi. I wonder what she's saying to him in there. I hope she's not hitting him, oh. Hey. I just didn't know that Miss Pat was a witch. Hi. Jeremiah?
Yes, honey.
Fix your face better than that. Come here. I'm going to check Sarah. Okay?
Why you have to check Sarah?
Because I want to know more about this girl, Josiah, that I bring in my house.
So what else you want to know about the girl, honey? The girl now cause no problem.
She is...
And you are cause to what our problem them, you know?
Oh, so you know all about her that you are blaming me also, right?
No, but you take things out of the wrong context. What? You don't know what we out there discuss now nothing, right? You only jump and assume thing.
Well, if you feel offended by what I do, that's too bad. But listen to me now. You finish talking. So it's my time to talk. I'm going to check Sarah to find out about that witch outside. And that's final. You can't say I didn't tell you. Okay? So you can shift your way back to your room. Okay. Have a good one.
So you're going not even a kiss, you're going to give me...
A kiss. I don't even know if I want to kiss you because I don't even know if you drink out of that dirty glass. And you shouldn't even bring it back into my house. Listen, are you a big man here? Oh, so you're a man that... Come here. You're a man that you hiss in your teeth after your wife. You hiss in your teeth after your wife? I'm talking to you.
No, honey.
Listen, you fix yourself better than that. And you behave like you're my husband. And stop behaving like you're those street boys. You forget where I take you from? I take you from the ghetto! You hear me?
Yes, honey.
You know what? You can't even take the pig out of the pen. Because if you take them and you put them on somewhere good, they're going to dig that ass down. You know that? And that's the behavior of you. I take you from the ghetto and you're still behaving like a ghetto. I didn't say to walk away. Look at your ugly face. Move from before me. And you make sure when I come back, I don't hear or see you talking to that little girl outside. I'm going to deal with her anyhow. Josiah, stop what you're doing and come to me right now. Yes, ma'am. I'm coming up. Yes, ma'am. You think I didn't see when you wiggling your little body to let my husband see your ass? No, madam. I don't want your husband, oh. I don't want your husband. I don't come for any trouble, ma'am. Hey. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something, girl. You come to my house trying to take my man. You just got here. And this is what you come here to do. Ma'am, he was just showing me that this is how he can do the same thing that I do, ma'am. Please, I beg you, ma'am. I don't mean any trouble, oh. You're biting the hand that feed you, girl? Miss Pat, hey. Remember that you and my mother go to school, oh. Remember you guys were in the same class. So please, oh, don't treat me like this. I don't want you to sack me, oh. Please, I need this work. I beg you, oh. Don't tell me about your poor, sick mother, okay? Don't tell me about her. Your mother could never, ever keep up to me. Your mother was a dunce. And not only a dunce, your mother just go around having kids all over with different men. So don't compare me to your mom.
It's really about this about fast to the poor girl for. Well, what the girl really do wrong? The girl not do nothing wrong at all, you know.
Don't look at me like that. You stay there arguing with me. You stay there arguing with me. Madam, you jumped me in my face. Hey. You're crying. You think that I care? You should get more than that. Listen, I am going through the gate. And you wait until I come back. You'll see what I do to you. You Miss Pat, you are a little witch. Okay. Since as you disrespect my mother, you look down on me and my mother. When Mr. Jeremiah come out here, I will talk to him. Oh. I'm going to look him. You'll see because of what you do to me and say about my mother. You'll see what I'll do to you, you little witch. Go away and leave me alone. I don't know why madam have to treat me like this.
Josiah, I'm very sorry. You can sit on this.
Thank you. Sir.
I was inside and I see everything that take place.
I'm telling you, I don't know what is wrong with Miss Pato. She's accusing us.
Can use this to wipe your face.
Thank you. You seem like such a nice man.
Just I am going through a lot, you know.
Like what, sir? Like what?
The woman treat me very bad.
I can see it, sir.
I have to
so
be-
why you stay with her?
I don't have anywhere else to go.
Sir, you can't stay with me. Oh. I live in a shack. I live in a shack. And I sleep on the floor on a piece of
I
wood.
don't respond, Josiah, as long
You
as
want
I
to
am
come?
happy. Yes, Josiah, as
You
long
can
as
come
I
and
am
live with
happy.
me, oh.
I'm tired of this now. I have to be buying my own food.
Your own food?
Yes, I have to
Hey!
buy my own food.
And your husband and wife?
Yes,
Oh my God! Hey!
she even put me in a different room to sleep.
Hey! And you live in a big house with her, sir?
Yes,
Hey!
she stay upstairs and I stay downstairs. We don't sleep together.
Then what are you doing with that witch? Oh? You see how she deal with you and deal with me?
Yes, she treat us very badly. I don't know why this woman, she continue disgracing me in front of even stranger like you.
So why you don't do something? Why you sit with her just because she have your money? Huh?
Just because that, but I'm
Is
putting
she
up-
have the money or is you have the money?
She have the money because I am coming from a very poor background.
So because you come from a poor background, you're going to let that woman walk all over you with her muddy foot?
No,
Stand up and know. Who she
I am gonna leave, Josiah. When she come back, I am gonna leave. It's not
I love
because
that.
through money I'm
I
gonna
love-
stay there.
That's what I'm saying to
I
sir.
need happiness now. I'm getting very old.
That's what I'm
I
saying,
cannot
sir.
be living my life like this.
No, sir. It's not fair for a man to live like you. When I see the way she talk to you and telling a lie on me as well, and on you about I'm wiggling my body in your face. She's a liar, oh.
I say she even put her hand in your face. Suppose you was like somebody else who would retaliate and hit her back. I thought you was gonna hit her back, you know.
I didn't want to do it because I need the work, oh.
Don't worry about the work. Leave the work. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Let she keep her work. I'm gonna leave also.
That's a good one, sir. You can come and stay with me. You know, many a times, you know that poor people live better than even the ones that are
Yes.
wealthy, oh.
Yes, sometimes you have your money and you're
Hey,
miserable.
I'm telling you.
I don't.
I'm telling
I'm
you.
coming from a poor
Yeah.
background, right?
Hey,
And I was happy.
hey, that's what
I was
noticed.
happy. And now I'm miserable. Every day
Hey.
I get cussing for nothing at all.
That is what is wrong with a lot of these rich people. Oh. They pretend when they come on road that they are happy and living a good life. And when you go to their house, they live worse than Puss and Dago.
Yes,
Me
that's
and you as a poor person, we live better than them.
very
That's
true.
the reason why they are jealous, but they will not let us know that we are living better
Because
than
the
them.
first day when you
Yeah.
come here, when you
Yeah.
come here and you explain about your situation of being hungry, I was being hungry too.
I didn't
I
know,
go out
sir.
to be hungry too. That's why I bring the water, because I see you out here working very hard.
Oh.
And I couldn't stay inside and watch you out here thirsty.
I appreciate that, sir. I
She
appreciate
only
that,
focus in on her money and how to use people to do her dirty work. She don't have no sympathy in her.
sir. She have no heart, oh.
No heart at all.
Hey, can you imagine when I talk to her and I tell her that you and my mother go to school together? You see how she
Yes.
treat me?
And if not disgrace your mother about your mother having a lot of children and what that
do
is
with
her
her?
business?
Hi.
Why she get involved in your business?
She's very disrespectful.
And when she
sir.
talk to your mother good and nice, like everything is okay.
She's just evil.
She's a witch. She's a witch. She's not okay. She's a witch.
That is true. That is true.
I'm gonna
Eh.
leave today. I can't take it anymore.
You can stay with me.
I will stay with
can
you,
stay
man.
with me. You don't have to stress out yourself. The sun is so hot and you don't have to stress out yourself.
I'm fed up, man.
I understand. Well, tell you what. I will make you happy.
Thank you.
If you give me a chance.
I will.
make
I
you
will.
happy. You think you can love
She
me?
treating me like I'm a little boy and go there and put down that and
So why you didn't react back to her? Why you didn't shove her down in the house? Shove her up the stairs.
because she have my papers. She hold on my papers.
So you have to go back abroad.
No, I'm not going back. I'm not going back.
Tell
Let
you
she
what.
stay abroad.
Yes.
and be miserable by yourself. I'm not gonna be there and be miserable.
Okay.
I prefer be with you and happy more than stay there and be miserable.
I love that. I love that. You don't have to get angry. You don't have to get angry.
I love that.
You love that.
A while ago she kissed.
She don't kiss you and you're
She
so
don't have any
handsome.
sympathy.
Uh.
And that feel lovely a while ago. You know how much years I don't feel something like this? I love this man.
And tell you what, when you live with me, Josiah, you're getting lots more than that.
Let's go. The sun is very hot. You cannot be sitting down in the sun like that.
So give me another chups before.
Come on, let's go inside before that wicked witch come.
Okay.
When I hear these beats playing, it takes my mind to a place where I find peace and joy. No cares of this world, just me, myself, and I in paradise, paradise, paradise. When I hear these beats playing, it takes my mind to a place where I find peace and joy. No cares of this world, just me, myself, and I in paradise, paradise, paradise.
When me watching news at night time, tear drops slow from my eyes. The number of dead keep increasing. Hospital full, in a chair people sleeping. Corona still out a road.